Aaryash day, and today I'm going to make a salt lava lamp. What do we need for this experiment? 300 ml of water, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 glass whatever color food coloring, and 1/3 oil. Now pour the water to the glass. Add food color until you get your desired color. Fill the glass with the oil almost to the top. So oil rises up to the surface because it attaches with pieces of salt.
3, 2, 1.
Wow! So cool! It will satisfy! Looks like I need to add some more salt. We'll do it later.
This is not magic, this is science. Let me tell you what happened.
Little drops of oil attach to the salt and then it sinks down. I hope you liked the video. Now relax and enjoy looking at some lava lamp.